Guys, it's happening. Bitcoin is breaking here to the upside, and against all odds, we have broken out of this rising wedge here, which is insane. And I will tell you the next targets here for Bitcoin right now. So you should definitely stick around here until the end of the video and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell. And now let's directly dive into these crypto markets that we have here today, because everything is pumping. So we have here on the 1 hourly chart this rising wedge that I was talking about, and also the odds that it is not quite likely to break this to the upside because this is still a bearish biased pattern. So but against all odds, we have broken through this key resistance area of $17,000 and sitting now on top of another resisting area, so which has of course now turned into support, also with that lower level here. At $17,200, and we still keep pumping. So now of course we have to understand that the next key area is here around $17,400 that we have to break so that we can move in direction of $18,000. And of course we should also talk about how likely it is that we break and stay above $17,400 here. So one thing that we can observe here right now is that we have here this upward sloping trend line, or this upward sloping channel here, this parallel channel that the price is in right now. So, and I'm normally when we get a channel like this, we have, in my opinion, from experience, to trade a little bit more sideways to see a break here to the upside. Unless we see increasing volume coming in, like massive volume coming in, that will push the Bitcoin price here out of that range. I don't believe that we go straight to $17,400. More likely we will see a small retracement to the downside way, at least to 17,200, maybe all the way down here to the top of that former rising wedge to $17,100. And from there, we will start consolidating and slowly come back up here and go further to the upside. So when we look here on the daily chart, also here we see something interesting developing, and that is that we get closer to the top of this triangle that we see here. So we have to get to $17,730 to break out of that. But then also the next resistance is directly coming in at $18,100 that I have mentioned the other day. But I also want to outline that we are now at the neckline of a W pattern here on the daily chart. So, and when we take here the neckline, if we draw it here, and measure then, let's see the bottom of the candle, not the wick. If we measure then the movement, the price target, this will bring us even beyond the key resistance area that we are seeing here from 18,100 to 18,500. This target is at $18,800. So the daily candle today has only to close at $17,300 or a little bit higher, and then we could actually see a confirmation with a retest of the neckline of that W pattern, and then a further move to the upside here. Also, when we look here on the 4 hourly time frame on our cup and handle pattern, that is playing out perfect to the T, guys. When we are looking here at the technical target for this cup and handle pattern, we have met the target now, and my trade is already closed. Here you see, so that is actually old. This trade is already closed. Let me refresh that. So, but you see, I made nice profit here. Let me show you guys. You see, the position is gone. And then when you see here, there you see, there it was closed in profit. Oh, I am on the wrong chart, guys. I am on the wrong chart. That's why you cannot see it. So here, closed PLN. So here you see, there we have the closed PLN. So that is the trade that was closed today, of course, in profit, guys. So, and I missed out a little bit more on the further upwards movement, but that's absolutely fine. I'm waiting now to see what is here happening, because we have met the target and we'll reassess the market here with you guys together to find a new entry to potentially trade this way higher. But for the time being, I'm waiting here on the sideline to find a new entry, get here back in. Potentially I will get back in at $17,400 if we can again close a 4-hourly or a daily candle above that level. That will be really significant for Bitcoin if we can do that, and that will give me a really nice entry to trade this all the way up to $18,800. Guys, today that was a really quick update. Just don't forget, if you want to trade with me together and make these insane gains with me together, sign up on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 if you sign up with my specific link in the description and the pinned comment below. Takes only a couple of seconds to sign up there, and also on Bitget $20,000 still in bonuses available. And other than that, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.